What is climate change? What causes climate change? What are the effects of climate change? Who is impacted the most by climate change? Hello, my name is Arum Pramesti. I'm a student of LSPR Communication and Business Institute, Faculty Communication, majoring in International Relations, and also a student of Sir Charles Bonar Sirait, subject Public Speaking and Presentation Skills. Today's video, we are going to talk about climate change. Most people are familiar with the term global warming, which is defined as the increase in average temperature near the Earth's surface. In common use, it often refers to the warming that has occurred as a result of increased emission of greenhouse gases from human activities. Climate change, which can result from either natural factors or human activities, refers to any significant change in weather patterns lasting for an extended period of time, typically 30 years or longer. Climate change encompasses both increases and decreases in temperature, as well as shift in precipitation, change in average condition, as well as extreme condition. You might be wondering what the difference is between weather and climate. Weather is the day-to-day condition of a particular place. Climate, on the other hand, refers to the observed patterns, range of extreme and frequency of event over time in that place. Let's talk about the cause of climate change. When sunlight reaches the Earth's surface, it can either be reflected back into the space or absorbed by the Earth. The planet then releases some of the absorbed energy back into the atmosphere as heat. Certain gases are known as greenhouse gases because they trap the solar radiation in the Earth's atmosphere, acting much like a greenhouse. Greenhouse gases are vital to make Earth a habitable planet, but the amount of the gases in the atmosphere gases such as carbon dioxide, methane, and nitrous oxide have been accumulating. This accumulation of greenhouse gases is causing global average temperatures to rise. Many impact causes of climate change. These are the case of Alaska and Arctic. Summer sea ice has been rapidly receding in recent years and is projected to disappear by mid-century. The melting of sea ice greatly impacts marine ecosystem as well as species that rely on the ice for habitat and food. Reduced sea ice will lead to greater ship access and open the possibility of offshore development, which could result in increased environmental degradation. Coastal communities will also be more vulnerable to coastal erosion. As glaciers sink, stream flow is altered, impact hydropower production, ocean circulation patterns, fisheries, and sea level. Melting permafrost impacts infrastructure and can lead to drier landscape, increased occurrences of wildfires, and the release of formerly trapped greenhouse gases. The cumulative effect of climate change will strongly affect native communities, which are highly vulnerable due to their close ties of the natural world. The last but not least question is, why do we need to stop climate change? Because we all deserve equal protection and there is nothing to lose from acting and everything to gain. We all already have the knowledge, power, and ability to stop climate change. We can learn from them, and with their consent, benefit from their know-how to inform our own effort to find a different way of interacting with our planet. So, when do we stop climate change?